Hello guys, so today we are solving the palindrome question on lead code. The language I'm using is C sharp. You can use any language, the logic will remain the same. Now the thing is that what is exactly a palindrome? So palindrome, if you don't know, it means that uh, string if reverse it will be the same. The original and the reverse string will be the same, right? So backward and forward both will be the same, right? But there's some edge cases here, right? Some of the things which come as edge cases. So for palindrome, for a string to be palindrome, every case, like everything should be a lower case because it's not case sensitive actually. So lower case we have to do, and then we need to remove all non-alphanumeric characters. So alphanumeric characters are those which includes letter and numbers. So all those things which are not numbers and letters, we have to remove those, right? So first we need to do what? We need to so for to palindrome there are three things. The first thing is to convert the string, convert to lowercase, right? Remove alphanumeric, right? And the last thing is to compare the remove non-alphanumeric, sorry, non-alphanumeric characters. And the last one is to compare the or to write the logic of palindrome, which is to check if reverse equals to forward, right? Now the thing is, the main goal here is that um, if you see this example, right, a man, a plan, a canal, Panama, so you will see that it came out as true. The reason because it all converted into lowercase, right? Um, it removes the non-alphanumeric characters as well. One thing you will observe is no white spaces also, right? So in palindrome also white spaces are generally not included. So as a fourth, like we can make it as a fourth step, and the third one or the here I can write second step is to remove the white spaces. That's it. Okay, fine. So if I write this code, then all my edge cases or all the test cases will be covered, right? So first I write here first to convert into lowercase. So I'll write here s equals to s dot. Most of the times we just write the code for the fourth one, and in the interviews they try to um, you know test your code based on these three points. So then it becomes a little bit difficult. Okay, so s dot lower will convert that into lowercase. Then we have remove the white spaces. Then I'll write s dot. So how do you remove the white spaces? You use trim, right? Trim will remove the white spaces. Then how you convert you like remove all the non-alpha numeric characters. So I will be using a link queue here. That link queue will be so I will be running like a query so that all those things which are non-alphanumeric will be removed. Like how it will be done, I'll show you. So I write here s. I'm going to make a new string, so I'm writing new string. Let it be a small s, and I write here s dot where. So s dot where, and then I'll write c. C will be my iterator um, in the string. Okay, c equals to. Then I have a function in my char is letter or digit. So I can use that. So I write here as letter or digit, okay, and then I'll pass C, right? Now, when I go and scan my character array, which is a string, and I see is letter or digit, then it will initialize all those character to my given string, right? But that's with this everything will give should give me in form of characters so that it will be converted back to a string using new string code, right? So what we'll do here is that we write here s dot where, and it will scan all the inside of the character, like every character in the string, and that I will convert into two array. So that will convert into a character array, and then it will be stored back to s, right? So this will basically remove all the non-alphanumeric characters. Then I have to check. Now I will write the code for checking if the forward is equal to reverse or vice versa. So I will make two pointers. Start is my 0 and end will be s dot length minus 1. So L is capital, remember that. in C sharp. Then I write while start is less than end. So if any point, right, if the start and end is not same, right, if the start and the end is not same, then there's no point of going forward, right? We can return false there, right? So if start is not equal to the s end, then don't do anything, just return false, right? Return false. So if it's like a one statement, right? So we can just use like tab and return false. That's it. No need to have a block of curly brace. Now that's the thing. Now after every iteration, what we will do, we will make our start plus plus and end minus minus. So what will happen is that in the string, if it will first compare the first and last element, then start will increment, it will convert the second element and the second last, and it will keep on going till your start is less than end, right? That's how the logic works. So we are basically comparing character from the first to the last, then second last to second, third and third last, like that. It will keep on going unless until start is less than end. So if none of the time the return false, has been, called, then automatically it should return true. So if in this loop there is no, the code didn't return false, so I will just return true. That's it. Done. So this is the code, and yeah, first we convert into lowercase, then we remove white spaces, then we remove the non-alphanumeric characters, and then we reverse write the logic for the if the reverse is equal to forward. Now I'm gonna run this. Yeah, all the cases got passed, and let me just submit that and see if it works. All right, that's all for today's video. I think if you have any question, you can write down on the comments, and I'll definitely respond. Thank you so much. Bye.